Generally, cars have become more expensive due to scarcity of salvage cars and increased cost in shipping due to the COVID-19 lockdown, making it difficult to find a car that perfectly fits your budget. I'll be going through the list of fairly used and foreign used cars that you can get for 1 million naira. Yes, 1 million naira without having to break the bank. At Babacity here from Canorama, let's jump right into this video. Number 1 on our list is the Mitsubishi Lancer. The Lancer is a compact car from Mitsubishi with a roomy interior, quiet and a smooth engine. It has an engine displacement of a 2.0 litre inline-4, producing 120 horsepower, driving the front wheels by a 4-speed automatic transmission. It is a good car for tackling Nigerian roads with a reasonable fuel economy and a reliable engine that saves cost in maintenance. The only downside to owning the Mitsubishi Lancer is its underpowered 2.0 litre engine, which has inadequate power to push it on the highway but is suitable for driving in the city. Number 2 on this list is the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is considered a sharp handling and a reliable car with an engine displacement of a 1.7 litre inline-4, producing 115 horsepower, driving the front wheels by a 4-speed automatic transmission. You can't go wrong buying Honda Civic, regardless of its trim level. They are durable, practical and fuel efficient. Civics are fun to drive. Trust me, I have driven one, and all its models offer excellent handling. Number 3 on our list is the Pontiac bike. You would find a compliant ride, fairly nimble handling and effective brakes. It is powered by a 1.8 litre inline-4, producing 130 horsepower, driving the front wheels by a 5-speed automatic transmission. The Pontiac Vibe shares same components and engine parts with the Toyota Matrix. It has a roomy interior and a lot of boot space to fit larger items with its practical design. This car is durable and can easily tackle Nigerian roads. Number 4 on our list is the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a mid-size SUV with a smooth, spirited and yet economical engine. Having a roomy and well-finished interior design, the Honda CR-V has a 2.4 litre inline-4, producing 160 horsepower, driving all 4 wheels by a 4-speed automatic transmission. The Honda CR-V is highly versatile, comfortable and has a stable handling. The downside to this SUV is its limited off-road capability. Number 5 on our list is the Mazda Primacy. For a 7-seater vehicle, the Mazda Primacy drives well with light and responsive steering. The Primacy has an engine displacement of a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder engine, producing 114 horsepower, driving the front wheels only. With a short nose for an excellent visibility and a soft ride which soaks up bumps so well on bad roads. It's a reliable and fuel efficient car with a low cost of maintenance. Number 6 on our list is the Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is an absolute joy to drive and fun to own, with a version of the 4-cylinder and a V6 mated to a slick, shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a roomy and well-made interior with quality material used throughout the cabin. It's an hot kick of 1 million naira. The only problem of owning this model is its ball joint problem that occurs making the tire pull out while the car is in motion. Number 7 on our list is the Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry, popularly known as Pencil Light, is one of the most reliable cars ever built. With a 2.4 litre inline-4 and a 3.0 litre V6 engine, the Toyota Camrys offer a comfortable interior and a quiet ride. It comes as a 4-door sedan and a 2-door coupe, also known as the Camry Solara. The interior is roomy with soft seats and has a reliable and fuel-efficient engine. The engine is known to last for more than 200,000 miles with proper maintenance and care. Number 8 on our list is the Toyota Sienna. Yes, you can buy a fairly used Toyota Sienna at 1 million naira mark. The Toyota Sienna makes a good argument against buying an SUV. It delivers an excellent ride and comes with a smooth and powerful V6 engine. The Toyota Sienna has an engine displacement of a 3.0-litre V6 and a 2.4-litre inline-4. It is comfortable, offering enough passengers space to satisfy a family. The Sienna also comes with top-notch material compared to its class. Number 9 on our list is the Mazda Tribute. The Mazda Tribute is a roomy and comfortable SUV with a peppy V6 engine. It's a great value for money with a roomy cargo space and a powerful 3.0-litre V6 engine and an outstanding off-road capability, as well as a solid build interior and exterior design. This is a reliable, durable and well-efficient vehicle that drives more like a car than a truck. Some might find the V6 engine a bit too loud. Well, there is a 2.0-litre inline-4 version. Number 10 on this list is the Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a compact car with a quiet and a smooth engine. It is considered on this list as a great value for money with little cost of maintenance. The Toyota Corolla has a 1.8-litre inline-4 mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels only. It is a reliable, durable and well-efficient car. The engines in the Toyota Corolla are known to last for more than 300,000 miles. Those are the list of cars you can get in a fairly and affording used market for 1 million naira in 2022. I hope you find this information very useful. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on your notification so you are alerted when we make a new upload. I'll see you in my next video.